It's been 6 years since Audi introduced the current generation RS6 Avant. Although a new A6 Avant has been on sale in Europe for a few months, the old superwagon remains available. Usually demand fades when a car nears retirement, but that's not the case with Ingolstadt's ultimate family hauler. In fact, a company representative says demand for the RS6 has never been higher, at least for the first 6 months of the year. Speaking with German business newspaper, Audi revealed the RS6 Avant is enjoying record half-year orders. Alina Sazen, company spokesperson for sales and marketing, said the wagon's popularity has boosted overall demand at Audi Sport. Through June, order intake for Audi Sport is up by 41% compared to the first 6 months of 2024. For clarity, Audi Sport covers only RS-badged models, as lesser S cars are omitted. This differs from Mercedes and BMW, which bundle their lower-tier performance models with full-fat AMG and M cars respectively. That makes the RS6's success even more remarkable, especially for an aging product. For its first 2 generations, C5 and C6, the RS6 was sold as both a sedan and a wagon. The C7 came exclusively as the more practical Avant, a tradition continued by the current C8. While the RS7 Sportback shares much with the RS6, Sazen's comments applied strictly to the wagon. So why is the hot Avant thriving so late in its life cycle? Likely a mix of factors. Mercedes-AMG has yet to launch the new E63 Estate, while BMW's decision to give the M5 Touring a hybrid powertrain has alienated buyers who prefer a pure V8 experience. Speaking of electrification, Audi has already confirmed the next generation RS6 Avant, C9, will feature a hybrid setup. Some buyers may be rushing to snap up the outgoing model before it's replaced by a heavier and more complex successor. The V8 is expected to stay, but a plug-in hybrid system could deter purists seeking an ICE-only car. You could make the argument that the ship has already sailed, considering the current RS6 already uses a mild hybrid setup. Whatever the reason, it's refreshing to see a wagon thriving in today's SUV-dominated market. Audi has reaffirmed its long-term commitment to high-performance estates, so speedy Avants aren't going anywhere. Spy photos and videos have already shown prototypes of the next-gen RS6 Avant, as well as the smaller RS4 Avant. The latter will likely follow the same formula, keeping all its cylinders while adding an electric motor and battery. Audi has ruled out 4-cylinder RS models, and with the inline 5 nearing its end, an evolution of the V6 seems likely, and there's more coming from Audi Sport beyond wagons. This September, Audi will unveil a concept car positioned between the TT and R8, aiming to capture the same buzz the original TT generated in the late 1990s. Appropriately, it's being billed as the TT Moment 2.0.